In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Linktree. So Linktree is essentially a free tool that allows you to share all of your different social media links and website links from one single place. So you can use this to direct people to your social media or to your website. It's entirely up to you. Now, in order to go and set up Linktree, we first need to head over to an internet browser. And in the address bar, we're just going to type in Linktree and hit enter. Then you need to click on this top website, which is the official Linktree website. So to get started, click on sign up for free in the top right hand side. And now what you can do is either sign up with an email address or you can go and sign up with your Google or Apple account. So I'm just going to type in my email address and then we can go and press continue. And then you'll need to set yourself a password. So go and enter a password and press create account. The next thing you'll need to do is pick yourself a username. The username is going to be public, so other people are going to be able to see this. So I'm just going to change mine to Your Fix Guide, which is my business name. But if you're making your Linktree for your personal branding or something like that, then you could just go ahead and type your name in here and then we can press continue. Now you'll need to enter the verification code that will have been sent to your registered email address and then we can press continue. Now you can just go through this quick questionnaire to describe your goal for using Linktree. So you can click whether you're a business or a creator or whether you just want this for personal use. I'm going to click on creator and press continue. I then go and select the option that best fits your industry. So I'm going to press content and press continue. Now it's going to try and upgrade us to the pro plan, but what we can do is click on skip in the top right hand side because we're just going to be using the free one. So just click on get started next to free. And what you can do here is go and select yourself a template. So this will apply certain colors, styles and layout already pre-built for you. But for this video, we're just going to press skip in the top right hand side. And we're also going to press skip again as we're going to add these in a second. And then press skip once again as we're also going to add these in just a second. And then finally press skip again just to be taken to your profile page. So now we can press continue building. And this is going to take us to the official Linktree dashboard. So if at any point in time you want to see what your Linktree looks like, then what you can do is just click on this share button in the top right hand side and select open my Linktree. And as you can see, this is what our Linktree page currently looks like. So I'm just going to head back over to the dashboard. And the first thing we need to do is add some links here that we want to display on our Linktree. So we can click on this add button and then go and select the type of link that you want to add. So I'm going to be adding a YouTube link. So I'm going to click on this and we can go and give this a title. I'm just going to title this YouTube. And then what you need to do is enter the URL of your YouTube channel. So this is my channel URL here. So I'm going to paste this in the URL section. Make sure this option is turned on and enabled. And then just like that, we've now created this YouTube link. So if I go and refresh my Linktree page, you can see now we have this YouTube link that when people click it, it will take us over to our YouTube. So you can essentially add as many links as you want here. You can add your TikTok, your social media, or even website links. If you want to add a website link, for example, then what you can do is just type in the URL of the website that you want to add. So I'm going to type in this one here, click on add, and then you can just go and customize this like before. So you can give this a title. So I'm going to call this my website. And you see we have the URL link below, and just make sure this is enabled once again. And then if we refresh the Linktree, that's now going to take people over to our custom website. Now, another thing you might want to do here is add your own custom icons to these links. Now we can do that just by clicking on the thumbnail icon, clicking on set thumbnail. And now you can either upload your own custom image or we can choose from one of the tabular icons. So I'm going to click on that option and then go and simply select an icon for your link. Now, because this is a link to my website, I'm just going to search for link and click on this one. And I'm also going to do the same for YouTube as well. So click on thumbnail, click on set thumbnail, click on choose. And this time I'm going to search for YouTube and just click on the YouTube icon. And now if I come and refresh my page once again, you can see now we also have some icons next to our links. Another thing you can do is actually add icons and emojis to your title. Now to do this, we just need to open up a new internet browser and type in emoji and hit enter. Click on this website here, getomoji.com. And then you just need to locate the emoji that you want to use. So say, for example, we wanted to use this one here. When you click on it, it will automatically copy the emoji. So if I head back over to Linktree, click on edit next to the title and go and paste in that emoji, you can see now it's been added to the title. And when I refresh my page, you can see it's also been added here. Now, if you need to delete any of your links, you can just click on this trash icon down at the bottom and that will delete the link from your Linktree. Now, some other things you can do is click on Appearance in the left-hand side, and now we can go and add a profile picture to our Linktree. So if we click on Edit Image, you can either upload your own custom image or design one with Canva. So I'm going to click on Upload, and then you can just go and select the profile picture that you want to use on your Linktree. You also may want to click on Edit Display Name and Bio, and then you can give yourself a description that will also be available publicly, so people will be able to see this on your Linktree, and this can just help explain a little bit about what you do. Another thing we can do is click on Add Social Icons, and then you could decide where you want to display these icons, so they can either be at the top of your Linktree or at the bottom. I like to include mine at the top, so I'm going to press that and select Add Social Icon, and then go and select the social icon that you want to add. Then we can just go and enter the username for our social media account, click on Add. You can see that these social media icons will be displayed at the top of the Linktree like so. And the last thing we can do from this appearance page is just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you can actually go and set yourself a theme. So most of these you do have to pay for in order to be able to use them, but there are some free ones that we can pick. So for example, if I click on this theme here, and then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, you can also customize all of the colors and borders and things like that from this page. So once you're happy with this, once again, if you refresh your Linktree, you can see now everything's changed, all of the colors, the fonts and everything like that. And that's basically it, guys. Once you finish setting up your Linktree, you can just go ahead and copy this address bar, and you can add this to your Instagram or your social media links. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you with the next one.